If you're looking to track your runs and improve your fitness, stop right there because most people get Runkeeper wrong. The surprising truth is that Runkeeper isn't just a running app, it's a full fitness companion that can motivate you, track progress, and even help you set goals like a personal coach. Runkeeper allows you to track distance, pace, calories burned, and even heart rate if you connect a compatible device. You won't believe what happens next. Users often see immediate improvements once they start analyzing their data and setting realistic goals. Getting started is easy. Download the app, create a free account, and select your activity type. You can choose between running, walking, cycling, or other exercises. Once you hit start, Runkeeper tracks your route via GPS, records your stats, and saves your history so you can analyze progress over time. The upside is motivation. Runkeeper offers challenges, goal tracking, and social features so you can share achievements with friends. It's excellent for beginners and advanced runners alike. You can even customize training plans based on your fitness level and objectives. The downside, some features require subscription, including advanced analytics, personalized coaching, and ad-free experience. Also, GPS accuracy can vary depending on your device and location, which may slightly affect your stats. The surprising truth is that consistent use of Runkeeper can help you run farther, track improvement, and stay accountable without hiring a personal trainer. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how much insight they can get from detailed tracking. If this honest review helped you understand Runkeeper, subscribe for more fitness app reviews and tips to get the most out of your workouts.